Now, here in this problem, they let us use any method we choose. So we could use any method, which is kind of good, I guess. We don't have to use a quadratic formula with these problems. All right, so the word problem says if the square of a positive number is increased by 4 times the number. So we've got the square of a positive number is increased, so we add by 4 times the number plus 4x. The sum is 117, so it equals 117. Okay. Now I'm gonna make this equation. I'm gonna put it in this form: ax squared, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. That's the format I'm gonna write this equation in. I'm gonna subtract 117 from both sides, so I get 0 on the right side of the equal sign. Okay, now I could either use a quadratic formula, I could factor, I could complete the square. I think with this one, I'm going to use a quadratic formula. Okay, so x equals negative b, and b is 4, right? This is c, and this is a. So b equals 4, so negative 4 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 4. 4 squared, and 4 squared is 16, so I'm just going to write the 16. Minus 4ac, so minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 117, over 2a, over 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Then x equals negative 4 plus or minus 16. Minus 4 is 4. Minus 4 times 1 is negative 4, and negative 4 times 117 is plus 468. 468. So 16 plus 468 is 16 plus 468 equals 484. So what I have is 484 here minus 4 plus or minus over 2. X equals, okay. Move over here because I'm running out of room. So x equals negative 4 plus or minus, what's the square root of 484? I don't know, let's see. 22 times 22, 484, it's 22, lucky guess. So it's 22, square root of 44 is 22, divided by 2. So I'm going to do a positive 22 first. So negative 4 and a positive 22 equals negative 18, a positive 18 over 2, so x equals 9. That's my first answer. And I'm going to do negative 22. Negative 22 and a negative 4 is a negative 26. Negative 26 divided by 2 equals negative 13. So x equals negative 13. So those are my two answers. Positive 9 and a negative 13. Actually, your answer is 9 because I just realized that the word problem tells you that it has to be positive numbers. So the only positive number here is 9, and 13 is a negative 13, so you know that's not your answer. So your answer is x equals 9.